This evening, the first of a two-part story on the impact of air and water pollution from alumina operations in St. Catherine. TVJ's Krista Campbell explores that issue, including complaints from residents of nearby communities, as well as what the government is doing to monitor and hold alumina refineries to account.
The complaint of air and water pollution has become almost commonplace for communities located close to alumina plants. And for residents who live near the Uwaton Alumina Refinery in St. Catherine, there's no exception.
The way we get used to the dust, it come like nothing to us. The dust, the way we get used to it, because we hear nearly every day.
Residents in the nearby community of Charlemont complain that they are no longer getting compensation for the effects of bauxite dust, which causes damage to grills, furniture, appliances, and affects their health. But they say things worsened over the past few years, right around the time the bauxite company installed this holding pond and mist blower, which reduces the risk of overflow from the pond during heavy rainfall.
When you're coming from Linstead, from heat Benlas, caustic soda start heat you.
For some time you're here all during the day and the rain now fall and the water come down and the water have a funny smell. It's raw.
I don't drink the water because sometimes when the water come out of the pipe, it's white.
I'm at a section of what the people call the Old John Gully, a place they say was once flowing with a variety of fish. It's now almost empty, and inside what little water is left is the evidence of the factory's operations.
The people say sometimes when it rains, bauxite waste is released into the nearby Thomas River, which runs behind the Charlemont housing scheme. They're concerned about a possible link to cancer.
There are persons who have died from cancer, 3 persons. 2 persons are cancer survivors. 2 persons have brain tumor, and there are persons who have to relocate because of cancer.
The Jamaica Bauxite Institute says the bauxite plant stopped using the mist blower late last year following complaints from residents. And so far, there's been no proof that pollution from the alumina plant is causing cancer in the area. Additionally, TVJ News understands that the National Environment and Planning Agency served enforcement notices on the Uwaton Alumina Refinery following several incidents in 2017 and 2018, urging it to take immediate steps to contain, clean up, and prevent any more overflow from the mud lake. Further away in the Mount Rosa community, Henry Mackenzie says he's been grappling with dust from the Rio Tinto alumina plant for over 10 years now. But he and other residents argue that in recent times, a green residue they think is from the treatment of bauxite has made things worse.
We have lots of sickness like sinus, cough, even sometimes little blood come out my throat for I cough a lot when sinus on me.
In part 2 of this feature, we look at the impact of the alumina plant's operation on farming in northwestern St. Catherine. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.